Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, January 5, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Hi, David.
How are you today?
I am very tired.
Why are you tired?
I have 5 meetings today.
That is a lot of meetings.
Yes, it is a busy day.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please.
The coffee is very hot today.
That is good.
I need 2 cups of coffee.
2 cups is a lot of caffeine.
I have a big sales call at 10.
Good luck with your call.
Thank you, Alex.
Did you read the news today?
I read one interesting story.
Was it about the economy?
Yes, it was in the Wall Street Journal.
What did the article say?
15 countries have a new law.
Is it about the minimum wage?
Yes, they are raising it by 10%.
That is a big change for workers.
It is good for my sales too,
Why is it good for sales?
because people have more money now.
That is a good point.
They can buy more products.
But prices are also high.
That is true.
10% is a good start, though.
I want a 10% raise too.
We all want more money, David.
I also saw something on CNN.
Was it about technology?
Yes, it was about London.
I love London.
They have 100 new buses.
Are they electric buses?
They are self-driving buses.
So there is no driver?
No, 0 drivers on the buses.
That is very scary for me.
Why is it scary?
I do not trust robots.
Robots do not get tired, Alex.
But robots can have errors.
Humans have 100 errors every day.
That is also true.
The buses are faster now.
I prefer a human driver.
It is the year 2026, Alex.
I know, but I'm old-fashioned.
Technology is changing fast.
It is changing too fast.
Did you see the news about schools?
I saw it in USA today.
It is about smartphones.
Yes, a new law for kids.
No phones for kids under 16.
I think it is a great law.
My son is very angry.
Does he use his phone a lot?
He uses it 8 hours a day.
That is too much time.
He says he needs it for school.
The law says no phones in class.
It helps them study better.
16 is a good age for a phone.
I agree with the law.
Students need to talk to each other.
They only send 1,000 texts.
They do not use their voices.
My son is 14 years old.
So he must leave his phone at home.
Yes, he is very sad today.
He will be okay, David.
I hope so.
Do you have many emails today?
I have 40 emails to write.
That is a busy morning.
I need to finish them by 12.
I have a project report to later.
Is the report for the boss?
Yes, it is for the big boss.
Is the boss happy?
The boss is never happy.
That is a funny joke.
It is not a joke, David.
I am sorry to hear that.
I need more sugar in my coffee.
Here is the sugar.
Thank you.
Do you have plans for tonight?
I want to watch one movie.
Which movie?
A movie about 3 friends.
Is it a comedy?
Yes, I need to laugh.
Laughing is good for stress.
I have 100% stress today.
Go to the gym after work.
I'm too tired for the gym.
I go to the gym 3 times a week.
You have a lot of energy.
I drink 4 coffees a day.
That is the secret.
Yes, coffee is my fuel.
I need to go to my desk.
Wait, I have one more question.
What is your question?
Do you like the new office chairs?
They are very comfortable.
I think they are too soft.
I like soft chairs.
I prefer hard chairs for my back.
You are very strange, David.
I know, I am unique.
See you at lunch.
Yes, let us meet at 1.
1 is perfect for me.
We can eat at the new cafe.
The one with the $5 salads?
Yes, that is the one.
Their food is very fresh.
I like their 2 for 1 deal.
Me too, it is cheap.
Okay, I must go now.
Have a good morning, David.
Have a productive day, Alex.
See you later.
See you at 1.
Do not be late.
I am never late.
That is a lie, David.
Okay, I am 5 minutes late sometimes.
I will see you then.
Goodbye, Alex.
Bye, David.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.